Flint, Michigan, USA. Groundwater contamination and environmental interest towards residents. In Michigan, there was a water crisis going on in the city of Flint. Starting all the way back in 2014, there has been a public health crisis going on. This all started when the city of Flint switched from having drinking water from Detroit's system and converting over to the Flint River to try and save more money. There were reports of inadequate testing of the water, and because of that, residents had broken out in rashes, hair loss, and more. The water of Flint was contaminated by lead. Thousands of children were exposed to water with high amounts of lead in it. In a shorter story, the Flint River had served as an unofficial waste disposal site. Waste from treated or untreated could be found in the river. Agricultural and urban runoff from landfills, and more had all been dumped into the Flint River. Even after community complaints, officials still stated that water was safe. The water was contaminated with lead, and the city had to deal with an outbreak of Legionnaires' disease. Even though the contamination was from humans, this still was a huge environmental issue due to the river being a contaminated site. This is just one site that was publicly found to have contamination worldwide because of climate change and other factors. There are so many places that have groundwater contamination. Nearby environments and communities get affected by this and can lead to cases just like the city of Flint. As a community, they were left with health issues, death within the community, and unclean and unsafe water. The solutions for this community were to replace all the lead-contaminated piping and replace it with galvanized steel and add filters, and to make sure the water was safe for all residents in the community.